Hey guys, I am Nishant and welcome to Cybernetico. So today, let's compare this new tool called Vite with the basic Create React app. So we will compare the build time of the builds and we will compare how much time it takes to create a React app. So first, let's compare how much time it takes to create a React app using their commands. So on the right, we have the Create React app, on the left we have Vite. So let's make the command for create React app first. So npx create, wait a sec, clear, let me clear this first. So npx create react app. So add a dot for this to install in this react folder, create react app folder. Let me add the command for Vite now. So it's npm create Vite latest. So add the create react app first, then this Vite. So let's see how much time they both take. So yes, let's make it a react Vite project. Enter react. We only need react, not the TypeScript. So it's done. So let's go to that react Vite folder. React Vite. So we can just do npm I to install the packages inside from package.json, and our create react app is still running. So see, the Vite has been installed. The React app inside Vite has now been created. So it's much faster. So if we just start the app, npm start, they should start the server. But wait a second. We need to, we don't have to use the npm start here. We have to use, let me open the package.json. We have to use npm run dev to run the Vite. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for the React app to finish. So you see how much faster Vite is Vite is with respect to React. So now let's see how much time it takes for the build to generate. For the Vite, type npm run build. For the React app, do the same npm run build. Let's see how much time they both take to generate the build. So Vite is done and create React app is still generating the build. So we have the dist folder for the build in Vite, and React app is also done. Create React app and it's the build folder. So now let's compare the sizes of the folders in the file manager. So see, Vite is only 29.5 megabytes of size and Create React app is 143. So Create React app is much larger than Vite. That's why the performance is slow for React app. Now let's compare the build sizes. As you can see, the size of the Vite build is 136 kilobytes, but for the Create React app build is 504. So the Create React app is 3.7 times bigger than the Vite build. That's why I'm not going to use the Create React app from now. I will use Vite, and you should too.